Hey guys, Lance Anderson with Anderson Insurance Group. Today we're talking about homeowners insurance. Let's compartmentalize this into limits and the perils that we cover. First of all, you're going to have your dwelling limit. You want to make sure that your house is covered for enough. This is January of 2025. We're watching about 10,000 properties burn down in California. Those properties are going to need about $400 a square foot to rebuild. Here in Utah, you want to have at least $175 per square foot. That's a minimum to rebuild your home. That's going to be the dwelling coverage. Average home here in Utah, probably about $350,000 to rebuild. If you have a nicer home like those in California, you could be all the way up to $300, $400, $500 a square foot. Your contents, that's the next limit we're going to talk about. That's usually half of the dwelling coverage. Make sure that you have replacement cost contents for your personal property so that you get new for old in the event of any loss to your contents. Next, we're going to have additional living expense. It also might be called loss of use. If you need to live in another home while yours is being rebuilt, your insurance company will cover that. Liability. It doesn't cost that much to increase your liability limit from the basic $100,000 to $300,000, maybe $3 a month, let's call it $20 a year. Make sure you've got enough liability coverage. And lastly, the deductible. Average deductible here in 2025, $2,500. That's the part that you've got to pay before your insurance company pays. Now, the perils that we cover fire, theft, vandalism, smoke damage. We also cover liability if you have a dog that bites somebody. Now, lots of insurance companies are going to have a list of dogs that are excluded, like a pit bull, but you know, if you have a dog bite somebody, that's going to go under the liability coverage. If a pipe breaks and water damages your home, those are probably the two most common claims that we get are going to be a water pipe and other types of water damage that might happen to your home. So make sure that you've got all of the coverage through these perils that are covered that you need. Call us with any questions, and for all of the details of your homeowner's insurance group, Anderson Insurance Group.